Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are gonna give a quick market outlook for Nifty and BankNifty. Okay, so market has been quite interesting. We are quite bullish for a fair amount of time, but now the market is at a very crucial point right now. We have a fair value gap right here in the markets, and we are just tapping into this. And if you can see, we have made equal highs on 19,861. So that fairly means that the market is having a pending buy side liquidity, and also we have this particular gap. So market fairly looks bullish right now. I'm not looking for any bearish trades as of now. You can see how the market has performed as of now. You can see how the buying levels have came into the pictures. You can use this particular tool and you can see there is a quite lot of buying that was segregated here, and there is this imbalance, that is this pending imbalance here. There are the fairly new trades over here, so market can tap into this and we can see the further reaction. So two things that I'm expecting: market should compress here and breach out of this highest point in the market, or market could give a quick reaction from this particular point and just give us quite a small correction, and then we can move forward. Now market was already making this trend line liquidity, so you can see here there was this trend line liquidity and there was this sell side liquidity right here in the markets. So market firstly trapped the sellers over here. Okay, so people who were entering shorts from this particular breakdown, they were getting trapped here. Then the market trapped the buyers over here. Okay, market did trap the buyers over here. We got a retest, a pin bar, but market did not do anything about it, and we just went down the again and again. Again, the market took out the sellers over here. Okay, trapped the sellers, took out all the stop losses from these levels. People who bought at breakdown, their stop losses might be at this particular low. They were getting trapped again. Again, market had a breakout. Again, we had a retest. Market again trapped. So you can see how much trapped and how much liquidity was built in this particular place. That's why we have a highest POI right here, because the market was collecting liquidity. And finally market took out all the liquidity and created this lower point. We broke down the structure, and we are going above ever since. So now if I'm expecting a correction, if we can expect a correction, till what levels we can expect is fairly simple, that I'll be looking at. So market took out we got a breakout structure, we formed a demand, market tapped on this demand, and we again break out of this and we have a demand right here, and above this we have fair value gaps. Again we have gaps. So I think if the market has to correct, I'll be expecting 19,640 levels to be tested again. But right now market seems fairly bullish, and I'll be looking at this particular levels for our trades. So you can see how market keeps on trapping the retail traders into the generic, how they generically trade in the markets. Okay, now fair point. We got a change of character, plus we have a BOS, so market is looking very well bullish. And if we get over this, we are fairly so bullish in the market. And even if we consider this as the highest point, market took out. Okay, we had a change of character right here because this high was made by this low. So this can be a point of correction. Okay, this can still be a point of correction. Even if so, market, even if you can check it out, we have this shift in market structure that was also taken out, and we had a mitigation block that was carefully taken above. So even this supply to demand flip will be a useful, because if market is compressing, market should not go beyond this particular level. So this is a very fair point if market to hold on to. This is a very strong point for the markets to actually hold. So market is looking quite bullish right now. I'm not looking for any short trades as of now. Intraday, if I can check it out, okay, for a small instincts, small instincts, if the market is coming down below this particular swing low, I can just assume that the market would tap into this level and again continue. So a fair short trade could be taken at after breaking and a retest of this level, targeting this particular demand level, and this gap was also mitigated. So I think this demand would be tested, basically the fair value gap that we have right here, and the market would take off. So I am expecting something like this for a compression to continue ahead. And if market breaks down this particular low, then we are going to see some bearish trades till this particular level. So that is my lookout for the market. This is how we are going to see a premium and discount, how the market opens on Monday, and that's how we are going to look into it. Okay, so next we are gonna see is Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty, let's go to a higher time frame, and I think this is also looking fairly bullish. Okay, we are fairly bullish, but at this particular point we had a shift in market structure. We had this mitigation block that was tested, and we formed a gap right here. So market can see a slight correction till this particular point, and then we can see how the market reacts. But this is a point where we can see a fair correction. But again, I won't be looking for correction until this swing low is being taken out. So on a lower time frame, I'll be tracking this out for a slight correction, but I won't be bearish as of now because market has taken out all the buy side liquidity, and there is this pending level that I want to be targeted. So this level I want to be fairly targeted by the markets because there are fair value gaps over here, and this high maybe a small reaction from this particular level, this liquidity that we have created, but not complete. So we might see a small correction and then again a rally to be continued, because if you see from this point till this particular point, this is where the POC is. Okay, and if we just correct a smaller amount, I can see the market has a fair amount of trade here. So market had the supply, we have a demand right here. If I just continue this from this particular point till this particular point, we have a good amount of buying that was taken right from this particular level. So overall, if I just combine this whole range, I can see the market being quite bullish at this level, and we should be sustaining above this particular level. And that is my lookout. If the correction comes, I'll be expecting the correction to come out at this particular POC. That's my lookout particularly. Okay, so we have already marked that level, and I'll be looking for a slight correction and a continuation in the markets to target this particular level. So I'm quite bullish in the market as of now. Okay, so if you want another video on sectorial breakdown and few stocks that I'm checking out, you can follow me on Telegram and comment below sectors so that I can publish a new video on all the sectors that I'm looking into it. So there are good sectors that might be performing in the coming weeks. So if you want a video on that, click on the subscribe, comment down, and share it with all your trader friends. See you in the next video.